Welcome to your field guide for commissioning pressure equipment. Let's get right to it. So what is commissioning? It's that critical moment where plans on paper become reality in the field. And get this, most startup problems are totally preventable. The key is a systematic approach. Here's what we're covering: the non-negotiable prerequisites and your essential field checks for success. All right, Section 1, prerequisites. Before you even step foot in the field, these have to be done. We can break these down into 4 key areas you absolutely have to check. First up, documentation. Make sure your as-built P&IDs are complete and verified, no exceptions. Next, your instruments. Are they installed right, calibrated, and can you actually read them easily? Third, safety devices. For things like relief valves, you've got to check that flow orientation is correct. And finally, procedure. Is it clearly defined? Does everyone on the team know the go/no-go criteria? Okay, Section 2, the field checklist. Let's walk through your essential checks for a safe startup. First, verify the nameplate matches the docs. Why? To confirm it's the right equipment for the job. Next, check that the gauge's isolation valve is open. Remember, an isolated gauge is a dangerous one. Now, vents and drains. Verify they work. This stops trapped air and prevents damaging water hammer. Check your supports and anchors. They need to be secure but still allow for thermal expansion. And last on the checklist, zone and access. Is the area clean and clear for safe access? Section 3. Now let's talk about the common mistakes so you can avoid making them yourself. Big ones include using outdated plans or just assuming an instrument works because it's there. All right, time for a quick knowledge check to make sure these key points really stick. The answer? Your verified as-built P&ID. That is your single source of truth. You have to check 2 things: that its orientation is correct and its discharge path is clear. Simple, using your vents and drains properly. You've got to purge all the air and liquid. So to wrap this up, professional commissioning isn't complicated. It really just follows a simple formula. It's solid documentation plus careful fieldwork, all guided by a checklist. That's what equals a professional job. Coming up next, we'll cover how to maintain safety with the daily anti-incident inspection round.